Hey guys, Matt here in the Bundy. So I'm about to do a hill they call Commodore Hill apparently. Doesn't look like it'd be too much of a drama, so just being a short wheelbase is probably the interesting part anyway. We'll just crawl it, no lockers, and then we'll put lockers in as needed. With the steepness of this hill, I'd probably put the front in first. Keeps the shorty a lot more stable. So yeah, first line, I'm going to straddle that hole, hang out a little to the left and then square up to it now. Just crawling. There she goes. Alright, stick across, straddle that hole there, square up to the hill. Oh. Okay, so front locker in. So what's happening is the back left is falling into that hole and it's screwing it around, so I want to do the mighty hill start. There we go. So just getting that back left out of that hole is the key. Front locker on, take that back out again. There we go. Alright, we'll just stay out of that hole. Crawling easy. Alright, there you go. There you go. Bundy. Commodores. Well, it's got a Commodore motor in it. That's a start. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.